Today we will see how to assign restricted holidays, OD entries and manual entries in the SmartOffice admin application. To add OD entries, go to the attendance, leave or outdoor entries. Here OD entry. OD entries in the attendance when an employee is going out of the office for work related reasons, then he can apply for the OD entries. Okay, to assign OD entry, go to the assign employee outdoor entry option. Here you can select the date, from date and to date, begin time and end time, and outdoor type. What type of outdoor entry you are going to apply? It is related to office or personal or out of station. Like this you can select is approved option. If you are going to enable is approved option, then the OD entries will be directly reflecting in the reports. If you are not going to enable is approved option, then those entries or these entries will be in the pending status. It will not be reflecting in the reports until the manager is going to approve it. Okay, and then mention the remarks, select employee and allot the outdoor entry. Okay, this is how to assign the outdoor entry. Now you can check the outdoor entries in this window. Okay, and if you want to import the outdoor entries in bulk, then go to the import or export, employee outdoor entries. Here you can download the file format and fill the required data. Here you can fill the data like employee code, from and to date, begin and end time, and is approved. Is approved in the sense if the OD entry is approved. If the OD entry is in approved status, then you can select or you can mention the true, and if it is not yet approved, then mention false. Okay, approved by remarks is mandatory, or the highlighted fields will be mandatory while importing the sheet. Okay, and the session, if you are going to apply for half day, then you can mention the session 1 or session 2. If it is a full day OD entry, then mention all. And date format will be always year, month, date, and the time format will be hours dot minutes dot seconds. Save the data and import it. Once the OD entry got imported, you can check those entries in the leave or outdoor entries, and here outdoor entry. Here you can see the outdoor entries which has been imported. Okay. Now we'll see how to apply restricted holidays in the SmartOffice application. To apply restricted holidays, go to the leave or outdoor entries. Here restricted holiday. Here you can go with the assign employee restricted holiday and select the holiday, enable the is approved option and mention remarks. Then you can select the employees to whom you want to apply the restricted holiday. Select it and apply. Once the leave entry got applied, you can just check those details here. Okay, this is how to apply the restricted holidays. Now we will see how to assign the manual entries in the SmartOffice application. Go to the attendance, device management and device logs. Here we are going to assign the manual entries only when the employee got missed the punches. Only when the employee missed the punches. Okay. Then go to the assign employee manual entry option and select the employee code to whom you want to assign the manual entry, and then mention the date, from date and to date, time and direction which punch he has been missed. Okay, then assign the manual entry. This is how to assign the manual entry individually. If you want to import the same in bulk, then go to the import or export. Here go to the employee manual entry and then download the file format. This is the file format. Here you can mention the data like employee code, log date, log time, and direction. Direction in the sense which punch has been missed, like in or out. Okay, and then mention the remarks. The highlighted fields are mandatory, so you have to fill the data and save the sheet. Then now you can import the data. Once the data got imported, you can check those entries in the device management, device logs. You can search for employee code. Here you can check the details which has been imported. Okay. This is how to apply OD entry, restricted holidays, and assign manual entries in a SmartOffice application. Thank you.